Right, as we further the deliberation on Anioma State creation, today I want to talk about why the Orlu State creation, Etiti State creation, and all that should give way for Anioma State creation. And then today, I'll be giving you some reasons why major people in Southeast and the people of Anioma wish and praise for the successful creation of Anioma State and not Orlu State or Etiti State or any other state that is going to be carved out from within the Southeast geopolitical zone. So please drop Orlu State creation proposal, Etiti State creation proposal, and every other state that is going to be proposed to be carved out from the existing Southeast geopolitical zone. It is very obvious that the federal government of Nigeria do not want to create state nationwide, but they are considering to create a state in the Southeast geopolitical zone for the purpose of bridging the imbalance in the geopolitical zone. Today, following the consideration of the federal government, some states have been proposed to make up the number 6 state in Southeast geopolitical zone. Number 1 of them is the Anioma State to be created. Number 2 is the Orlu State. And number 3 is Etiti State. And the other ones that some people are trying to propose also. Why all who have proposed different states has every right to propose a state for the Southeast geopolitical zone? The Southeastern people have made tremendous inquiries, research, and consultations to know which is the best for them, and they have come to the conclusion that Anioma State creation is the best for the region. The Southeastern people and Anioma people have come together to agree that Anioma State creation is the best for the Southeast geopolitical zone. The people have given their reasons. One of the reasons is for geographical expansion of the Southeast geopolitical zone. The Southeast geopolitical zone today in Nigeria is the smallest in landmass, not because the Nde Igbo people are the smallest tribe in Nigeria. Therefore, carving Anioma out of Delta State, out of the present Delta State, into the Southeast geopolitical zone will also enlarge the geographical area of Southeast geopolitical zone. For example, the Orlu State that is being proposed will be carved out from 5 states that are already in the Southeast geopolitical zone. This does not enlarge the geographical area of the Southeast geopolitical zone. The Orlu State is about 4,000 square kilometers and will be carved out from states that are already in the Southeast geopolitical zone, which we know will not in any way expand the geographical area of the zone. 2. Population. Anioma is much populated with over 2 million people than Orlu, which has less than 1.5 million people. 3. Economical viability. Following the resources, the natural resources that we find in Anioma today, Anioma stands tall above every other proposed states based on the economical viability of Anioma. Orlu, Etiti, and all that has been proposed are not economically viable as Anioma is. 4. There will be zero fragmentation. Orlu, Etiti, etc. are to be carved out from the states within the Southeast geopolitical zone, leading to further fragmentation of the area. But Anioma will be carved out from South-South geopolitical zone. That will lead to no fragmentation, even as it enlarges the landmass of the Southeast geopolitical zone. 5. Unite their people. Creating Anioma State into the Southeast geopolitical zone will unite the Anioma people with their kids and kin who had been separated for decades. It will unite the Bia-speaking people who we currently call the Delta Igbos in the present Delta State. Creating Orlu, Etiti, and all that from the states that are within the Southeast geopolitical zone may forever keep Anioma people away from their people. It may cut off the Delta Igbos from ever aligning with their own people. Based on this, the organization Nde Igbo, Igbo Ezwe, Ndokwaneku Union, Igbo Area TV, and many other Igbo social-cultural groups have come to clamor for the creation of Anioma State. We are appealing to those proposing state creation from within the existing states in the Southeast geopolitical zone not to only drop their agitation, but drop it and give support for the creation of Anioma State. Indeed, Osani Ofu. We are calling on Southeast geopolitical zone representatives, both in red chambers and green chambers, to consider this and give massive support for the creation of Anioma State and Ibofu. Efambo Ifani Chukwu Emewos, popularly called Chief Senator Rich K. Onosa 1 of Ndokwa Nation. Thank you.